Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. Number one, we open the file. Number two, we select about enable editing in here. Now, number three, we change your name for the file. Number four, we need to rename the sheet tab into this one. And that's the answer for number four. Now, number five, we select about A number four. And now we need to format the data as an Excel table using about this one in here. And then we go to this one. And now we need to select about green table style medium number 21 medium in here. So we select about 21 and we select about OK. And we can see the image based on the information they provide in here. Number 6, we copy this one and we move or copy. We move to end and we select create a copy. And you got this one in here and we need to rename this one. That is about PM flights. Now we select this one in here and now we need to use about a richer than filter to display flight with our departure time after 12 p.m. So I will select about departure in here and we go to number filters, richer than, and in this one we write 12 p.m. and we compare the number in here. You can see that 6, 8, 9, 12, 14, 6, 8, 9, 12, 14 until 28, 32. So that means you do the correct right now. Number 8, we select this one. And now we need to select the cell I5 to I32. So I5 to I32 go in here. We need to set conditional formatting and we highlight this one, conditional formatting, and they use about 3 stars. That means we use this one in here. So we need to find the star, and that's it, about 3 stars in here. Number 9, we need to build 2-level custom source, and that means we go to this one, go to about this one in here, and we go to custom sort, and we have the box in here. And now we do the same based on the image. So we select about capacity and cell icon. So that means the new one we select about this one in here. And we have this one on top and at level in here, capacity, and we change conditional formatting icon. This one on top, OK. Now we go to number 10. So we select about A4 to I32, A4 to I32 in here. So we need to use about weak analysis to create about pivot table. So they want you this one, and we need to select about tables, and we need to create about pivot table in here. And now we need to rename this one. And that's the answer for 11. Now we go to number 12. In the cell B3 of the pivot table, that is about this one. That's this one in here. So I will go to this one, and in this one, we go to field setting in here, and we do go to number format. So in this situation, we need to select about percentage and 2 decimal places. So we select about number 2 in here. And this is the answer for number 12. Now we go to number 13. We need to add the passenger in the field. So the passenger in here. And now there should be about the sum. And we need to edit the setting to display like this. So we select this one, we must delete about sum, and we change like this. And now we need to change the number format. So we select this one, number format. And now we need to select about number. And now we need to put about 0 decimal. And now 1,000. And now that's about this one. So this is the answer for number 13. Now we go to number 14. We need to use about Y pivot style like A for the pivot table. So I will go to this side in here, and we select about this one, white pivot style light A. And that's the answer for number 14. Number 15. We need to add a 3D pie, and we select this one, and we go to PivotChart in here. And in this one, we select about pie 3D. And this is the answer in here. And now we need to put at the E number 3. So E number 3 in here. And the next one, N22. And this is the answer for this one. Now, we need to select about the legend of the chart and set to 11 for the form. So we select this one, and we select 11. Number 17, we need to select about data labels. So I will select this one, go to this one in here, data label. We go to this one, and we go inside N. Now we select about this one, and now we select about both in here, and we select about number 10. And that's the answer for number 17. And you can submit, and that's the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.